Did you know that food waste increases carbon emissions? It's a big problem we're helping to tackle by reducing food waste here at Chester Zoo. But you can help at home too, by simply using up leftover food rather than wasting it. I'm going to show you now how to use leftovers to make this tempting tomato salsa with breadsticks. First, here's what you'll need for the salsa. 3 medium-sized tomatoes, half a red onion, 1 red chilli or jalapeño chilli with stems and seeds removed, 1 lime to juice, 50 grams of chopped coriander, salt and pepper to taste, and 50 ml of passata sauce. You've probably already got most of these ingredients at the back of your kitchen cupboard. This is a great way to use them up. Now let's get salsa in. Cut the tomatoes, chillies and onions finely or chunky, whichever you like. And then put that into your bowl. I'm just going to take some of the zest off the lime. If you don't like lime, don't put lime in, you can put lemon in. And then we'll put the juice again in as well. And then we're going to get the coriander. Make sure you use the whole stem, stalk and all. There's the flavours throughout the herb, not just in the leaves. And if you bunch it together like that, you'll get the coriander finer. And then we'll just add some passata sauce then. Freshly ground pepper, some salt, and then literally give it a mix. And then that's your salsa done. It's that simple. The salsa is perfect with crunchy breadsticks. Here's what you'll need to make them. First, preheat your oven to 180 degrees. So if you just get any bits of stale bread you've got left in the house, then cut or tear your bread into strips. And then literally just put your bread onto some baking trays that will go in the oven. Drizzle with oil. I've got some smoked paprika I'm going to use. This is one of my favourite spices. I've got some mustard seeds there, and I've just got some leftover Parmesan cheese. Just sprinkle that on. And cook for about 10 minutes or until crisp and golden brown. And there you have it. A tasty starter that's a real crowd pleaser. It's just one of many simple, creative and delicious ways to love your leftovers. Discover more recipes through the link below.